guys, today we're going to learn the 16 overall recognition syllables in Chinese Pinyin. As we know, Pinyin is consisted of one initial and one final, and the initials are the consonants and finals are the vowels. Last video, we learned about all the 23 consonants, and then we also learned about the 24 vowels. Today, we're going to learn the syllables that are already one individual pinyin. So we just need to add the tones to it, right? So let's get started. Zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si, yi, wu, yu, ye, yue, yuan, yin, yun, yin. So let's take a look at this. As you see, they already have the consonants we learned from the first day. Zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si. These ones, they are consonants we learned it from last time. E, with the E at the end, E, as we know, is a single vowel. So together, we cannot spell it, but it's made this way. So what you need to do is to memorize them and know how to pronounce them, okay? With different tones, they're changed to different characters. So as you can see that I put underline on all the consonants in this overall syllabus. So on the initial part is the consonant and the final parts are the vowels. As we learned the consonants and vowels from before, please go and review whenever you need. Let's read one more time to finish today's lesson. Zhi, chi, shi, ri, zi, ci, si, yi, wu, yu, ye, yue, yuan, yin, yun, yin. So that's it. Did you follow me? I hope that you guys can read and repeat after me whenever I read it. It's very important to get a familiar feeling of it. I'm sure that you already master it. I will see you next time. Please leave me comments and let me know what you think. Bye!